Hey ho, here's my daily summary. I started the day with a nice event with our wizard amigos. So we had like a little hangout with people from everywhere. So this was really fun. If anyone wants to ever join, just find us on Discord or Twitter. And the other part of the day was focused on getting our storage verification, basically storage challenge work. So currently we have a hoster who receives an event that there is a challenge, and they are notified what is the storage challenge content, which says which chunks need to be sent and for which fit key. And then the hoster connects to the tester and grabs the chunks that they need to send. Let me just see, where do I have this logic? Here. So we have like some function already prepared for the challenges. So we just pass the fit key and index, and it returns all the data. And this data is, let me see if it's logged somewhere. Yeah, it includes the index, encoded data, and the proof. So this is then sent for each chunk to the hoster, basically by appending it to the hypercore. So here you can see it. And we're waiting for acknowledgements. When all the acknowledgements are received, we know that all the data was downloaded or cloned by the attester. And on the attester side, we basically have the opposite logic. And once we receive the data, we verify the proof. So before we were doing verification on the chain, but we decided, because sending a lot of data to the chain is very costly, so we're doing this verification now off-chain and just sending proofs of this verification to the chain. So this logic currently isn't implemented yet. So we are just having a function returning the true. But yeah, this needs to be implemented now, or re-implemented from Rust back to JavaScript. So if I run the code now, we basically run the whole scenario again. We start hosting, and then these hosters start receiving challenges. And when they receive challenges, I just log here, a testers received all the storage proofs. This is logged when the hoster gets all the acknowledgements that everything was downloaded by the attester. And then I log the data that the tester receives, and I just log the proof is verified when everything is done. So the networking logic works. So I'll see tomorrow if I'll do the networking logic for also for the for the performance challenge. But we are thinking about changing the logic there a little bit. So not sure if I'm going to go into this, or I'll rather go into making this verification work. So let's see. This was it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.